Today I will show how to assemble a computer or office chair. Out from the box I have backrest, seat cushion, two armrests, gas lift, hardware, central base tube, mechanism, casters and split base tubes, and also got this decorative cover. First I will assemble the base using the central base tube. I will match these holes with the holes on the split base tubes. I will take out the Allen key and the screw size mentioned in the instructions for assembling the base. For base there are 5 smaller size screws as per the instructions. I will insert the split base tubes in the central base and I will align the holes and then slightly tighten the screws. Now I will use Allen key to fully tighten the screws. Then I will insert casters at the end of the split base tubes. Just need to put the casters in and press it with your hand. Once all the casters are done, turn the base. Next I will put this decorative cover on top of the base. Now this gas lift, this thicker part will go inside the base. This is the left side of the cushion, right side of the cushion, and you can see the left side, right side, front and the back of the cushion. I have put this cushion upside down on my countertop. This is the back, this is the front. Now I will be assembling the armrest and I will take out the matching screws as per the instruction slip. As this cushion is kept upside down, so I will put this right side handrest on left side and then left side handrest on right side. Then I will tighten all the screws using Allen key. Both the armrests are assembled now. Now I will assemble this mechanism. This round part will face the front of the chair and this portion will face rear of the chair. I will align the holes of this mechanism with the holes on the back of the chair cushion. I will take out the screws as mentioned in the instruction slip for this mechanism. Now I will assemble the backrest. So this backrest screw part will go under the mechanism. I will use the screws mentioned in the instruction slip to tighten the back. Now make sure all the screws are fully tightened. You can use your Allen key. Now place this hole of the mechanism on top of the gas lift. This round knob is for the tilt adjustment of the backrest. You can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the tilt of the backrest. You can use this knob. If you push this knob in, it will lock the back mechanism, and if you pull it out, it will unlock the back mechanism. So the back mechanism will go back and forth. You can also use this knob to increase the height of your chair or decrease the height of the chair by lifting the knob or by pressing the knob. There is a small lever under the armrest which can be used to increase the height of the armrest, or you can move the armrest inside or outside. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.